turenda guthambia thukuma citu. Now, so we want to wash our vegetables. I said we have managu. I have vinegar here, white vinegar and the brown vinegar. We don't use the brown vinegar. Tutitomerage eno ni ya nyama. What we use for vegetables and salad is the white vinegar. Na niyo dauga, we can use it instead of using the lemons. Sina lemons, I don't have lemons. So what I'm going to do, and I told you, being an African girl, I will not waste water. I'll put some water there on that basin, and then about 5 ml of vinegar. And then now I'll wash my vegetables. So dauga atiriri. Ko gicagi no ukorwo wina ndimo. Ndimo ko gicagi no cikorwo cikuo. Ni undu wa kuraga tutambi turia tukoragwo thukuma-ini ri na tuko tuingire. Ringi thukuma itiriirio mai ma sewage ri. Ni wega gwikiraga ndimo mai-ini niguo orage germs iria cingikorwo ci thukuma-ini. Urute giko kiria kingikorwo gi thukuma-ini utana cikera. So today I used vinegar because I don't have lemons. As you know, lemons are it's a hassle. I've washed my vegetables. See, I don't have the green pigmentation on my water, meaning I've not lost any nutrients. I want to rinse them. We said that vegetables have a lot of nutrients. One of them being iron. They also have calcium. They also have phosphorus. The kales also have vitamin A for your eyes. One of the fine days we are going to do a video about micronutrients. Those are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin D, and the minerals. So I finished washing my vegetables. What you'll do, I have this. I don't know how to call it, but it looks like a sieve. It's a small basin that looks like a sieve, though it has bigger holes. So I'm putting my vegetables here so that they can drain all the water. You don't want masupu in our vegetables. So tutikwenda thupu nyanine citu. Koguo ri tuguciikira haha au cite mai. Also, when you cut them with a lot of water, you lose a lot of nutrients. We put our vegetables there so that they can drain all the water. Our vegetables now are drained. We've drained the water that we washed them with. So I want to shred them. And being an African, I'm not using any board to cut. I'll cut them on my hands. Gushikera mokoine. I'm not using any board. I'm not used to that. I'm shredding them from my hands. So today we are talking about diabetes, and we term diabetes as a chronic disease. Also, turario horo wigie murimu wa sukari. Murimu wa sukari wiragwo ati ati nduhonagwo ati nduhonagwo murimu wa cukari ni uhonagwo no kumenya murimu wa cukari ni ki uria wikaga mwiri waku niguo hote gwiteithia. Actually, it is not a death sentencing disease. You can manage diabetes easily. So you just need to know how to deal with it. So auria ngugaga ni ati mundu wothe agiire gutua ati ni murwaru murimu wa cukari. Everyone should assume that they are sick from diabetes. So niguo ukahotaga kuria uria kwagiriire. Murimu wa cukari ni mithemba iri. No tugithia na mbere nyeni citu ni ndikirie gukera na cirio green o uria ciuma ki mugunda-ini. Murimu wa cukari ni mithemba iri. Twina type 1 diabetes na twina type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes tumionaga gwi ciana. Type 2 diabetes tugiaga nayo o uria turathie na mbere na maica maitu. Kuri ndariganirwo kuri gestational diabetes neno enyitaga atumia hindi iria mena uritu wa mwana. So twina mithemba etatu. No mithemba ino iri ya gestational na type 2 ri no tondu umwe tondu iyo ni iria ikuoyagirira ugithie na mbere na maica maku. No uria urathie gukura ni ukoraga amaitu aitu aingi ni makoragwo makicemwo ni mirimu teno ni tondu uguo noguo ciega ciao nacio cia mwiri cirathie cikurite. Diabetes is of two types or three. We have gestational diabetes, we have type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is for children. Type 2 diabetes we get it as we grow old, and gestational diabetes is a condition that get when we are pregnant. So I want us to differentiate between blood sugars and diabetes. Diabetes is a disease and blood sugars are the symptoms of diabetes. That when we are given insulin, what happens is the insulin help lower the blood sugars, but it does not cure diabetes. It is not a cure for diabetes. There is a difference between blood sugars and diabetes. Blood sugars are the symptoms for diabetes. It is the same as when you have fevers and you are suffering from an infection. The infection could be the disease, but the fevers are the symptoms of disease. So when you take painkillers or paracetamol, the fevers tend to go down. But does it heal are you healed from taking the paracetamol? No. When the fever goes down, are you healed from the infection? From the infections? No. It is the same as diabetes. When you are diabetic, the blood sugars goes high. When you take insulin, the blood sugars goes down, but the disease is still there. So ndirauga atiriri, murimu wa cukari ni ngurani na riria cukari waku wi iguru, ti undu umwe. Nikio uthia thibitari, ndagitari agakuhe dawa icio cia kuguithia cukari waku, nicio twitaga insulin. Icio either cia kumeria kana cia gwithesa, agakuhe dawa icio, cukari ugathie thi. No ti kuga ati cukari wathie thi ati we ni wahona murimu wa cukari. Asa nikio ndaheana ngerekano na riria wi murwaru. Riria wi murwaru tuge malaria ri, fever ni thiaga iguru. Yathi iguru ri, ukanyua tutawa twa tupanado kana ukanyua tugakuhoreria urugari waku ugathie thi. Urugari waku wathie thi ri, ti kuga ati malaria ni mathira thiini wa mwiri waku koguo ni ugubatara guthie thibitari uthie ugathondekwo malaria. Diabetes really, it is not a disease, it is a condition. It is a condition that we must live with, and it is managed. And that is why I'm making food here as we talk, so that you're able to discuss how to manage diabetes nutritionally. All the doctor will give you is medicine to lower the blood sugars, but as a nutritionist, I'm here to tell you we can treat the disease and you can live the normal life as other people. So as you can see there, we have onions, we have tomatoes, we have carrots, we have ginger and garlic, we have our spices there, which are they are natural. We have our oil, we have our flour there, ugali, and we have our vegetables. I have 3 sufurias there, so I'm ready to cook, and I'll cook the 3 meals, meals at the same time. So let's move on. You can choose to avoid this. It is not a must. It is not a must you use the spices. You can just use the fresh spices, and your food will be nice. So auria murona haha mai maitu ni matheruka. Our water is boiling. So what I'll do, I'll add turmeric. Nemore mwaria ngima ya yellow. Neo turari omuthi. I'll add turmeric to my water. Nyogerere oguo. Onore mai mahana oguo. So njoke njikire mutu witu ni uria wetagwo, ndiu wetagwo atia, ndiu nyumu wetaga atia wa kinugu. Our flour is not sifted, so we are cooking whole meal. It is a whole meal ugali, so nothing has been removed from the maize. So our ugali is not as white as the hostess one or the pembe one. So we are adding to our water like that. So we are making our ugali, our yellow ugali. So what are the benefits of turmeric? One, turmeric is an anti-inflammatory herb, meaning so turauga atiriri kamumera gaka getagwo turmeric kire gakoragwo thoko ni kayero gakoragwo thoko, na kwi ingi cikoragwo cithĩtwo ciendagio nduka-inĩ getagwo turmeric ri ni mukunjira uria getagwo na Gikuyu ri nikagiragiriria riria wina murimu ri kuiba mwiri, nikagiragiriria kuiba mwiri. Wa keri, turmeric gaka ri nigateithagiriria nginya mood ciaku cigakorwo ci njega. Wathie wanoga muthenya mugima ukaigua nduri na mamudi maku ni moru, no uhuthire kamuti gaka, either wikire mucere-ini waku kana wikire ngima-ini yaku kana irio iria ingĩ ciothe ũngĩenda gwĩkĩra nĩguo mudi ciaku ciĩke atĩa, nĩguo mudi ciaku cikorwo cikĩagĩra. Wa gatatũ, turmeric gaka rĩ nĩ gateithagia to lose weight. It helps you, turmeric also helps you lose weight. So someone like me, I'm losing baby fat, so that is why I'm using this herb called turmeric, because I know it will help me lose weight. Where are we? About turmeric. But actually we are not talking about turmeric today. We are talking about diabetes. No ga turmeric gaka ri no gateithagĩrĩria kũhũrana na cholesterol. It helps you reduce your cholesterol levels, and that is why also it is good for the people who are suffering from diabetes, because more chances are that if you are suffering from diabetes, your cholesterol level also could be high because of the weight. So it is good to use turmeric in your food. And so we were talking about diabetes, and we said that diabetes is not the same as the blood sugars. Not a munyui wa njohi, the alcoholic. Those people who drink beer, they started with 1 bottle of beer. As they progresses, one beer does not give them the steam that they need, so they take 2, they go to 3 to 4 until now they are taking a whole crate by themselves. So that is what happens with insulin. When you eat your food, when you eat your ugali, it is turned into sugars. Waria ngima yaku so niguo mwiri uhote kumirutithia wira. Etuagwo sukari niguo mwiri uhote gwika atia kurutithia wira. Remember, carbohydrates are energy giving foods, so your body utilizes your carbohydrates in form of sugars for energy.